Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to select and move multiple objects in iCloud Keynote. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your iCloud Keynote. Then create your presentation. Now you can see here are my presentation with many graphics items. Now I select and move all those objects, graphics object. Now I select this all graphics object to press Ctrl and on your mouse left button. Now you can see I select this all objects. Now I move, simply just click drag on your mouse left button and you can see I select and move multiple objects in iCloud Keynote very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.